Hello, dear students. Very good morning. You know that we are learning the chapter control and coordination. In the previous class, you have learnt about some of the plant hormones, right? So, what are hormones? Hormones are the chemical messengers which are synthesized in one place, and their action of the place of action is different. And these chemicals will be diffused into the surroundings, and it help in the transfer of information from one part of the body to other part of the body through blood. Okay, in case of animals it is blood. Okay, this is about the hormones. How are such chemicals or hormonal means of information transmission? It is used in animals. So what do some animals, for instance squirrels, so the squirrels experience when they are in a scary situation? So what they will do? So their body have to prepare for either fighting or running away, right? ಸೊ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ ಜೊತೆ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ that will use a great deal of energy in controlled ways. So many different tissue types will be used and their activities integrated together these actions. However, the two alternative activities, one is fighting, another one is running. So these are all also quite different. So here is a situation in which some common preparations can be usefully made in the body. So these preparations would ideally make it easier to do either activity in the near the future. And how would this be achieved? That we are going to study in this class. If the body design in the squirrel relied only on the electrical impulses of a nerve cells, so you know that there are two types of information transfer, right? One is through nervous tissue, another one is through hormones. So if the body is totally relied on only electrical impulses which is transferred by these nervous cells, the range of tissues instructed to prepare for the coming activities would be limited. ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರು ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್, if a chemical signal, that is hormones, were to be sent as well, it would reach all the cells of the body and provides the wide ranging changes needed, right? So this is done in many animals including human beings. So using a hormone called adrenaline. Okay, adrenaline, it is an hormone. This is adrenal gland which is present on the surface of the each kidney. Okay, so this is called adrenal gland. So this adrenal gland produces adrenaline hormone. Using a hormone called adrenaline that is secreted from the adrenal gland, so which locate these glands. So this adrenaline is secreted directly into the blood and carried to the different parts of the body. So it is directly, the hormone will be released into the blood. You know that when the blood is pumping, it has to give it to the different parts of the body. So once the blood is carry the different hormones, the target organ or the specific tissue on which it is acting include the heart. So as a result, the heartbeat will become faster, which results in the supply of more oxygen to our muscles. So when you get a fear, so your heart will started beating very fastly, right? That is due to the hormones are released into the blood, and when it goes to the heart, so it increases the amount of supply of oxygen to our muscles, and hence it will beat faster. So and the blood to the digestive system and skin is reduced due to the contraction of muscles around the small arteries of these organs. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನು ಇದು ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಸೊ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ muscles around the small arteries in these organs. So this diverts the blood to our ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟಲ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟಲ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಯಾಫ್ರಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ರಿಬ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so this diverts the blood to our skeletal muscles. So skeletal muscles includes the ribs and bones, right? So this diverts the blood to our skeletal muscles. So the breathing rate also increases because of the contraction of the diaphragm. So ಈ portion ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ diaphragm ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ, below the rib cage. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು, so ಈ ತರ because of this because of the contraction of the diaphragm and the rib muscles, so here the breathing rate also increases. So all these responses together enable the human body to be ready to deal with the ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಭಯ ಪಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೊ ಅಥವಾ ಓಡೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಈ ತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್. So such animals hormones are a part of the endocrine system which constitute a second way of control and coordination in our body. So first one is nervous tissue, second one is hormonal control in the body. So which maintain the control and coordination of our body. Students, remember the plants have hormones, right, that control their directional growth. Means so how they will respond to the soil, how they will respond to the water, chemicals and sunlight we have studied. So what functions do animal hormones perform? So plants hormones ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ವಿ directional growth ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It increases the it increases the cell it increases the length of the cell, or it help in the cell division, or inhibits the growth of the some organs. It is done by some plant hormones. So what functions do animal hormones perform? On the face of it, so we cannot imagine their role in the directional growth. We cannot say so animals will respond to the directional growth because so we won't respond much to these so stimulus like soil, water, air, these kind of things. We won't so respond to it. And we have never seen some animals growing more in one direction or the other. So depending on the light or gravity, ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದ್ರ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಎ ಬಿಟ್ ಮೋರ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎವಿಡೆಂಟ್ ದಟ್ even in animal bodies growth happens in a carefully controlled places. Growth ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ in the controlled places. So plants will grow leaves in many places on the plant body. For example, but it is an example. But we do not grow fingers on your faces, right? That is not the it cannot grow after that moment. So it is always in a particular place. So the design of the body is carefully maintained even during the growth of the children. So infant ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ child ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೇನೆ, so it will show it will maintain the growth.